Many months ago, I suffered from serious itchiness. My hair was breaking, it was shedding excessively. I had tried so many remedies and nothing worked until I tried this treatment and it saved my hair. So in today's video, I'm not only going to show you the treatment, I am also going to share with you how it has saved my hair. Alright, so keep on watching. So to prepare this treatment, you need just three things. You need neem leaf, your onion peel, and black tea. You can use any black tea of your choice. All right, here I am using a yellow label black tea. All right, so begin by peeling your onion peel. That is, if you peel your onion, don't discard the peel, just save it. It's very good for hair on its own since it also contains sulfur. All right, for the black tea, I'm going to be making use of only one tea bag, and then I'm going to be using up all this neem leaf that you're seeing here. So remember to wash your washables, wash your green leaf, your onion peels to remove dirt and dust. This part is very important. And then in a clean pot, you're going to boil it with a good amount of water. I didn't actually measure the water, but I just eyeballed and know the water that will be enough for my hair. And then after washing, I went ahead and boil it. I'm trying to hasten up the process so that I can, tell you a little bit of how I discovered this treatment and how it has helped me. Okay, so I also want to emphasize that you should boil this in a low heat. All the while I've been using it, I always used to reduce the light to the medium setting, then boil it for up to 10 minutes. Switch it off and allow it to cool down a bit before using it. You would even see me putting it in a water bowl so that it will cool, the cooling process will be faster. Again, I like to use good water, like I use a drinking water for my hair. Like when I'm making hairspray for hair or anything relating to a leave-in treatment, I like to use clean water. Okay, so please use a drinkable water for this treatment. All right guys, so a couple of years ago, after I gave birth to my my second baby, that's months later, my hair started reacting to so many things. My hair was itching, I was losing excessive hair and that was my 6 to 8 months postpartum. Like, I didn't know what was happening. I know that postpartum shedding is normal, but the shedding was way beyond what I would call normal postpartum shedding, right? And at that point, it was terrifying because I literally tried everything. I tried even this tea that I'm showing you now. I tried black tea on its own because I was researching the laws, looking up what to do, how to resolve excessive hair fall at home, since I couldn't go to, what is it called, trichologist, I think. So I tried so many things and nothing was working. I was at the verge of cutting my hair, but what held me back was the thought that what if I cut my hair and nothing happens, right? So yeah, the story is quite deep. If you want me to make a full documentation of what I went through, the depression and everything, I even had insomnia, you let me know in the comment section and I'll be very happy to do a sit down video, and towards the end of the sit down video I'll still share this remedy for new viewers. All right, so long story short, I decided, I don't know how I came about this neem leaf, and then I decided to try these three things. Honestly, it was a very beautiful afternoon. Like, I could still remember the first day that I gathered these ingredients together, put it on the stove and tried it on my hair. Like, after the first use, I'm not even joking, like after trying this treatment for just once, like I tried it only once, I washed my hair, I poured it. I think till now I feel like it was the Holy Spirit that directed me to try this treatment. After trying this treatment only once, the result was amazing. And guess what? From that time till now, anytime that I experience excessive shedding, I don't use this treatment every time I wash my hair, and it's safe. You can actually use it like that if you want to, but I use this treatment anytime that I'm noticing excessive shedding on my hair, this is my go-to treatment. And you know what, I've tried it on myself severally and the result is the same. I've tried it on other people and the result is still the same. I don't want to talk too much about this product. I want you to go and try it. If you've tried everything and nothing worked, try this treatment. So how you can use this treatment, the way that I've been using it is, I shampoo my hair first, I pour the treatment, cover my hair, and then prepare my deep conditioner. Once my deep conditioner is ready, I will deep condition on top of this treatment. Like, I'm not going to rinse it off, I will deep condition on it and then cover again for additional 30 minutes and then wash everything out. This is how I've been using it and I've seen a great result. Another way I think you can use it to see results is by using it as after rinse. Like, once you finish your washing process and everything, you just pour it on your hair and cover your hair for 30 minutes. You can choose to rinse it out or not. The most important thing is to remember to use it on a clean scalp, and trust me guys, it works. So if you're going through excessive hair fall, I want you to please give this treatment a try and then come back and let me know in the comment section. And if you've tried it and it worked, let us know in the comment section. And if you want me to make a sit down video of my experience with postpartum shedding, I'll be happy to share it for you people to hear. Also let me know in the comment section. And until I come your way next time, please take care of yourself and remain blessed. Ciao.